Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see about access control and security. The agenda of our today's class will be what is network access control, what is extensible authentication protocol. In that we will discuss about types, implementation process, architecture, and in extensible authentication protocol we will discuss about its authentication process and EAP methods. Let's go. First, introduction to the network. What is network? It is an interconnected system of devices, services, and communication channel to allow data transfer between systems. There are three types of network. First, LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network, and then MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. Then WAN. WAN, Wide Area Network. Let's go next. What is access? Access means the ability to enter, use, or obtain something. Access is of two types: physical access, logical access. What is meant by physical access? The ability to physically enter a location is called physical access. And then logical access means the ability to use a computer system, network, or data. We will discuss about this logical access. First we have discussed the network. Next, what is access? Now we will discuss about control. How we control the network access by using these mechanisms. There are two mechanisms used for controlling the network access. They are authentication, authorization. Authentication means verifying the users. Authorization means granting permission to the users. Next, we will discuss about the overview of these three topics. Let's see. The network access control. The network access control is a security process that controls, manages network access for devices and users. Its primary goal is to prevent from unauthorized devices. The key components of network access control is authentication, authorization, and accounting. Next, types of NAC. First we have discussed about network, what is access, next control, and the overview of network access control and their key components. Let's see now the types of NAC. There are two types of NAC: pre-admission NAC, post-admission NAC. The pre-admission stands for before access, post-admission NAC stands for after access. What does it do? First we will discuss about pre-admission NAC. What does it do? It checks a user identity and device security before allowing to the network access, and post-admission will then monitors users and devices after giving a permission. Next, example for pre-admission is allowing to access and Wi-Fi connection. Next, example for post-admission will be automatically disconnects it from the network if there is a malware. Next, we will discuss about the steps to implement a NAC solution. There are 5 steps to implement a NAC solution. First, gather data, manage identities, determine permission, apply for permission, update. What is gather data? Let's see brief about these topics. Gather data. Normally, gather means collecting the information. That is the thing here we applied. Taking survey and collecting information about every device, users, and server. Next, manage identities. What is meant by manage identities? A verified user identifies within the organization by authentication and authorization. What is determine permission? Create a permission policy policies stating different access levels for identified user groups. Next, applying for permission. Apply permission policies on identified user. Next, update means monitor security operations and make adjustment. These are the simple terms, and I have highlighted the main words so that you can able to easily read and memorize. Next, we will discuss about architecture. What is meant by architecture? The structure of a NAC cell. In that we have three terms: NAC server, NAC agent, and a NAC devices. NAC server stands for central component that manage and control network access. NAC agents software installed on devices to communicate with NAC server. Next, we will discuss about the NAC solution overview. Here is a structure of the NAC solution, in which we have mentioned the NAC agent on left side, NAC server on the right side, and the device on the intermediate. What is NAC agent? A small program installed on a device. A policy server stores, manage, and enforces network policy. Remediation server means fixes security vulnerabilities and compliance issues on devices. NAC server, centralized server that enforces network policy. These are the terms used in the NAC architecture. The benefits of NAC are improved security, compliance, reduce the risk, increase visibility. Next, disadvantages will be cost, high cost for implementation, complex setup, capability issues, user inconvenience, performance impact.